Hello, everyone. Welcome to Daily Talk English. I am so happy you are here today. My name is Jack, and as always, I am here with my amazing co-host.
Hi, everyone. I am Emma, and wow, Jack, today is such a fun day.
Yes, Emma, today is a very, very special day because today we are going to talk about something you do every single day of your life.
Ooh, every single day? That sounds interesting. What is it, Jack?
Haha, yes, every day. We're going to learn how to talk about your daily routine in English.
Yes. Oh, I love this topic so much. Because you know what? Every morning I wake up, I do so many things. But do I know how to say them in English?
That is exactly the point, Emma. A lot of people, they do things every day. Wake up, brush teeth, eat breakfast, go to work. But when someone asks them in English, "Hey, what do you do every day?" They just go like,
I wake up and then,
Yes, exactly like that. Don't worry, friends. After this video, you will speak about your daily routine so easily and so confidently.
Yes, and friends, this video is specially made for beginners, so we will go very slowly, very clearly, step by step. No rush at all.
Absolutely. And hey, before we start, if you are new here, welcome to Daily Talk English. This is the place where we learn real English, simple English, English that you can use in your daily life every single day.
And friends, if you are enjoying this video, please give us a big thumbs up right now. Go on, press that like button. It really, really helps our channel grow.
And please subscribe to Daily Talk English if you have not subscribed yet. Press that subscribe button and also press the bell icon, so every time we upload a new video, you get a notification.
We upload new videos every Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, 5 days a week just for you.
Okay, friends, are you ready? Let's go. Let's learn how to talk about your daily routine in English.
Let's do it.
Okay, friends, let's start with part 1. And part 1 is about the morning routine.
Yes, morning routine. So friends, morning routine means the things you do every morning after you wake up.
Right. So, Jack, let me ask you, Emma, what do you do every morning?
Great question. Okay, so every morning I wake up at 6 o'clock.
Oh, wow, 6 o'clock. That is early.
Yes, I know. I wake up early. Now, friends, let's look at this sentence. I wake up at 6 o'clock. Very simple sentence. Let's say it together slowly. I wake up at 6 o'clock.
I wake up at 6 o'clock. Perfect. Now, friends, you can change the time. Maybe you wake up at 7 o'clock. So you say, I wake up at 7 o'clock. Maybe you wake up at 8 o'clock. So you say, I wake up at 8 o'clock. Very simple.
Yes. Now let's learn the next sentence. After I wake up, what do? I go to the bathroom.
Of course, the bathroom. Very important. The sentence is, I go to the bathroom. Let's say it slowly. I go to the bathroom.
I go to the bathroom. Good. Now, friends, after the bathroom, what do most people do?
Brush teeth.
Yes, I brush my teeth. Let's say it slowly. I brush my teeth.
I brush my teeth. Now, friends, brush, B-R-U-S-H, brush, and teeth, T-E-E-T-H, teeth. These are very common words, very easy to remember.
And friends, here is a fun tip. You can connect these sentences. Listen, I wake up at 6 o'clock. Then I go to the bathroom. Then I brush my teeth. You see, you are already making a small story about your morning.
Wow, yes, that sounds so natural. Okay, let's keep going. What do you do after brushing teeth, Emma?
After brushing my teeth, I wash my face.
I wash my face. Let's say it slowly. I wash my face.
I wash my face. Simple, clean. Now, friends, after washing face, many people take a shower.
Yes, I take a shower, or I take a bath. Let's say both. I take a shower. I take a bath.
I take a shower. I take a bath. Very good. Now, friends, take a shower and take a bath both are correct. A shower is when water comes from above, like rain. A bath is when you sit in water.
Yes, very good explanation, Emma. Okay, after shower, what do we do?
We get dressed.
I get dressed. Let's say it slowly. I get dressed.
I get dressed. Good. Get dressed means you put on your clothes. Very simple.
And after getting dressed, the most important thing, we eat breakfast.
Yes, I eat breakfast. Let's say it slowly. I eat breakfast.
I eat breakfast. Now, friends, breakfast. B-R-E-A-K-F-A-S-T. Breakfast. Breakfast is the first meal of the day, the meal you eat in the morning.
And friends, you can also say, I have breakfast. Both are correct. I eat breakfast and I have breakfast. Same meaning.
Great. Now, friends, let's put the whole morning routine together. Listen carefully and repeat after us.
I wake up at 6 o'clock.
I wake up at 6 o'clock.
Then I go to the bathroom.
Then I go to the bathroom.
I brush my teeth.
I brush my teeth.
I wash my face.
I wash my face.
I take a shower.
I take a shower.
I get dressed.
I get dressed.
And then I eat breakfast.
And then I eat breakfast.
Wonderful. You are doing amazing, friends.
Yes, you are speaking English about your morning routine. How does that feel?
Great, right? And friends, let's learn some connecting words. These small words make your sentences sound very natural.
Yes, the words are first, then, after that, finally.
Let's use them. First, I wake up. Then, I brush my teeth. After that, I eat breakfast. Finally, I go to work.
Wow, that sounds so smooth, so natural. Friends, these 4 words, first, then, after that, finally, remember these. They will help you so much.
Yes, write them down if you want. First, then, after that, finally.
Okay, friends, now one more very important morning sentence. Many people drink tea or coffee in the morning.
Oh yes, I drink tea every morning.
I drink tea every morning. Or I drink coffee every morning. Let's say it slowly. I drink tea every morning.
I drink tea every morning. Simple and beautiful.
And friends, every morning, this phrase is very useful. Every morning means not just today, but every single morning, regularly, as a habit.
Yes, so friends, part 1 is done. Morning routine, done. You are amazing.
You really are. Okay, let's take a very quick 1-second break and then we move to part 2.
And friends, are you enjoying this video so far? Please tell us in the comments below. We love reading your comments. We reply too.
Yes, write in the comments, I am learning English with Daily Talk English. Let's go. Part 2 coming up.
Welcome back, friends. Now we are in part 2, and part 2 is about the afternoon and evening routine.
Yes, so morning is done, you ate breakfast, now what? You go to work, or maybe you go to school.
Yes, let's learn these sentences. I go to work. I go to school. Let's say slowly. I go to work. I go to school.
I go to work. I go to school. Very simple. Now, friends, maybe you don't go to an office. Maybe you work from home. So you say, I work from home.
I work from home. Great sentence. Especially these days, many people work from home, so this is a very useful sentence.
Yes, I work from home. I love that sentence. Okay, so you go to work or school or work from home, and then lunchtime.
Oh, yes. I eat lunch at 1 o'clock, or I have lunch at 1 o'clock. Let's say slowly. I eat lunch at 1 o'clock.
I eat lunch at 1 o'clock. Remember, friends, lunch is the meal in the afternoon. Breakfast in the morning, lunch in the afternoon, dinner in the evening.
Breakfast, lunch, dinner. 3 meals. Very important words.
Yes. Now, friends, after lunch, what do many people do? They feel a little sleepy.
Yes. After lunch, I feel sleepy. Very honest sentence.
I feel sleepy after lunch. But we don't sleep. We keep working. Or maybe some people take a short rest.
Yes, I take a short rest after lunch, or I take a nap after lunch. Nap. N-A-P. Nap. A nap is a very short sleep.
I take a nap. I love naps. Okay, friends, now let's talk about the evening. After work, what do people do?
I come home, or I return home. Both are correct. I come home. I return home.
I come home. I return home. Good. And when you come home, maybe you feel tired.
Yes, I feel tired after work. Let's say slowly. I feel tired after work.
I feel tired after work. Very natural. Very real.
And then we eat dinner.
I eat dinner. Or I have dinner. Let's say slowly. I eat dinner.
I eat dinner. Now, friends, dinner is the last big meal of the day, in the evening or at night.
Yes, and friends, what time do you eat dinner? Maybe you eat dinner at 7 o'clock. So you say, I eat dinner at 7 o'clock.
I eat dinner at 7 o'clock. Perfect. Now let's talk about what people do after dinner.
Yes, after dinner, many people watch TV.
I watch TV after dinner. Let's say slowly. I watch TV after dinner.
I watch TV after dinner. Or maybe you watch YouTube.
I watch YouTube after dinner. Very modern sentence. Very 2024 sentence.
Yes. Or maybe you read a book. I read a book after dinner. Let's say slowly. I read a book after dinner.
I read a book after dinner. Beautiful habit. Very good, friends.
And then, what do we do at the end of the day?
We go to sleep.
I go to sleep. Or I go to bed. Both are correct. Let's say both slowly. I go
to sleep. I go to bed.
I go to sleep. I go to bed. And friends, what time do you sleep? Maybe you sleep at 10 o'clock. So you say, I go to bed at 10 o'clock.
I go to bed at 10 o'clock. Perfect ending to a perfect day.
Yes! Now, friends, let's put the full day together, the complete daily routine in English. Listen carefully and repeat.
First, I wake up at 6 o'clock.
First, I wake up at 6 o'clock.
Then I brush my teeth and wash my face.
Then I brush my teeth and wash my face.
After that, I eat breakfast.
After that, I eat breakfast.
Then I go to work.
Then I go to work.
I eat lunch at 1 o'clock.
I eat lunch at 1 o'clock.
After work, I come home.
After work, I come home.
I eat dinner at 7 o'clock.
I eat dinner at 7 o'clock.
Then I watch TV and relax.
Then I watch TV and relax.
Finally, I go to bed at 10 o'clock.
Finally, I go to bed at 10 o'clock. Amazing, friends! You just spoke about your full day in English. How wonderful is that?
I am so proud of you, friends. Seriously, you came here, you watched this full video, and now you can talk about your daily routine in English.
And friends, now I want you to practice. It is very important. After watching this video, please write your own daily routine in English in the comments below.
Yes, write it. Like this. First, I wake up at, then after that, write your full day in the comments. We will read every single comment.
And we will reply, so please write. Don't be shy. This is a safe place to practice English.
Yes, no judgment here, only encouragement. You can do it.
Okay, friends, let's do a very quick review of all the sentences we learned today.
I wake up at your time.
I brush my teeth.
I wash my face.
I take a shower.
I get dressed.
I eat breakfast.
I go to work.
I eat lunch.
I come home.
I eat dinner.
I watch TV.
I go to bed at your time.
Beautiful. All these sentences, so simple, so useful, so powerful.
And friends, remember the connecting words. First, then, after that, finally. Use these words and your English will sound so natural.
Absolutely. Okay, friends, that is it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching Daily Talk English.
You are amazing for being here. Seriously, not everyone takes time to learn, but you did, and that makes you special.
That is so true. Okay, friends, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. It really helps us so much.
And if you are not subscribed yet, please subscribe right now and press that bell icon. We upload every Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday.
5 videos every week, all for you, all free, all simple English.
And share this video with someone who is also learning English. Maybe a friend, a family member. Share it. Help them learn too.
We will see you in the next video, friends. Until then, keep practicing, keep speaking, and remember,
You can speak English.
bye-bye, everyone.
Bye-bye. Take care. See you next time.